Nasa Pilipinas ngayon ang dating manlalaro ng NBA na si Tyrone Muggsy Bogues. Sa taas niyang 5'3", siya ang itinuturing na pinakamaliit na nakapaglaro sa NBA. May report si Chino Trinidad.
Sa liga ng average height ay 6'7". Tila walang lugar para sa maliliit na manlalaro ang NBA. Pero noong 1987, nakalusot sa tinuguriang Land of the Giants si Tyrone Curtis Bogues o mas kilala bilang Muggsy Bogues. Sa height na 5'3", maliit man ang tingin sa kanya ng mga NBA legends noong kapanahunan niya, hindi naman daw nawala ang respeto nila sa kanya.
They've talked, they've discussed your size, your height. Okay? Everyone has talked about that. But has anyone actually asked you if there's anyone who actually measured the size of your height?
Not yet.
Huh?
I'd say I got a big heart, enormous heart. You know, I believe more than anyone. And that's something that probably allowed me to be in this situation today.
Kinuha lang siya noon ng Washington Bullets bilang sideshow. Ang inakala ng marami, magiging palamuti lang sa liga. Nagkaroon ng 14 na season sa NBA at kinikilala bilang one of the best passers and steals leaders.
When I was going through this process, it was a matter of me out there trying to prove what other people didn't think that was possible.
Si Muggsy Bogues ay patunay na hindi hadlang ang height sa kahit na sinong may nais maabot, hindi lamang sa basketball, ngunit sa maraming mga pagsubok ng buhay. Ang sikreto, ayon sa shortest player in NBA history,
not normal as in other people's eyes. When they seen that you're supposed to be different and it's not supposed to be meant for guys of your size or so forth. But I didn't believe that. You know, I just had that in one ear, out the other.
Hindi lang daw basketball skills ang nais niyang iwan sa ating mga kabataan.
You gotta have and also want to make sure that they have a high spiritual foundation. You know, you gotta have that first spiritual foundation because, you know, that's also a key message of going forward.
Chino Trinidad, GMA News.